Hey there, everyone. This is Karen from God Oil Supply. Super happy to be here with you today. Saying hey to you. We are super excited to announce June's subscription box. It's always fun when a new box comes out. It's like, some of our customers will say it's like Christmas. What will it be? So I'm here to announce what that is. It is pretty cool. This one is geared toward the men in your life, a little bit different than what we've done before. We've done holidays, we've done wellness, we've done things to inspire our minds, we've done things for children. This is June. We celebrate our fathers in June. We celebrate the men in our lives in June. And so we thought, why not? Let's celebrate them with our subscription box. So let's get on it. I'll reveal what it is. So this month we developed men's colognes, and they're called On Target. There's 8 of them. Very cool. They're super fun. And not only did we create this super fun, all these fun, just uniquely designed colognes for men. We actually have a novelty bottle that was created that looked like shotgun shells. So they are red, this really pretty red color with this silver cap. Has made got all the supplies right out there on the top. These awesome rollers that don't leak. They're so perfect. You guys, I'm hoping you guys are loving them as much as I am. These are our new bottles. How fun are these? We've gotten some pretty cool feedback on these. Men are just loving them, and we have one customer that's like, "Oh yeah, this will get my husband to use essential oils." Sometimes we think essential oils are just for men or just for women. Let's get our men using it too. So let's dive in and look at this box. How about it? So if you're kind of new to knowing what our subscription boxes are about, we have 2 styles. We have an oiler box, which is $19.95, and that's really great for personal use, and it's all about getting to know your essential oils, using them, and just really embracing them. And then there's the builder box, which is $39.95, and those are all about for those that are totally into DIY, like to get together with friends and make them. They like to do excuse me, make and takes, or are just building a business and want to be successful and share it with as many people as possible and have creative and fun classes. As always, when you subscribe, you get, for our new customers, the first month ships free. So that's a little bonus that you get. But for those of you who have been with us for a while, we always want to make new and exciting boxes and we always have you in mind to be creative and so that you can, again, learn how to use essential oils and learn how to better share it with others. That's the goal, right? So let's look at, I'm going to pull out the box that I put together for, this is all about the unveiling. This comes to you, always wrapped really pretty. It's a gift for you every month with you in mind. So again, when you get the oiler box, we'll start there. That is, again, for personal use typically. You're going to get a recipe sheet with, this one I really, really enjoyed. This one just gives you a background of what oils that are typically used for men, how to create your own blends, how to, just learning about top notes, middle notes, base notes, just really getting a background on what it takes to make a men's cologne and how to create that for yourself so you can get your own creative juices flowing. And then on the back, of course, we want to make you successful and give you some suggestions. So here in the back comes with 8 recipes that we loved, and we hope you love too. And you know, like additional information on how to be successful in creating your own blend. You also get our labels. These labels are so cool. They are they're clear labels, and they are oil proof. As always, we make sure that that you won't have any problems with them. And then, so they're printed on black. They look so great on these bottles. I'm going to show you a few of them. We have, one of the names is Magnum. You can see that. It's got, it's printed on there. Kind of looks like a target in the background, little target practice. Here's another one. You can see how great these look on the labels. Let's see. See that pretty good? There, the light got that. This one's Blaster. There's Armor, Hollow Point, Metal, 12 gauge, Caliber, Magnum. And then, as always, we like to try to make, so, you know, if possible, we like to have clear labels too, so that if you come up with your own, you can either write them in or just have a clear label and they don't have to have a name. So. We always like to have, top stickers, so lid stickers. On these, I like the cap so much with this imprint of God Only Supplies that I kind of avoided putting that top sticker there. Put it on the bottom. I really like the way that looked. All right. Kind of cool. So they're so small, they're kind of short, so it's kind of nice. You see the label there, and you also have it on the bottom there. So in the oil box, you'd be getting one of these. You're going to be getting what? I love these tools. They're called insert remover keys or tools. Keep this on a keychain, keep it on a backpack, on a purse, so it's for easy use. I'm a big fan of using these whenever I'm opening bottles, because I just prefer to, not to wiggle and loosen these up, but to really just do it right, get these off, and then when you put them back in again, so you're not really ruining any of the roller bottles or the balls inserts, to use that key to push it into place. That way you're not ever destroying your roller bottle. So that's just one of my, it's kind of a silly, small and simple little tool, but it's one of my faves. So you get that in there. We always like to add a funnel and a pipette just to make things simple for you. And that's what you're going to see in your box. Again, this is super great for if you're doing it for yourself. If you're going to be building a business, then we have a builder box for you. Here you're going to be getting, in the builder box, you're going to be getting 12 label sheets, 12 recipe sheets, and of course, all 8 of the bottles. And then in this one, you're going to be getting the remover tool, the pipette, the funnel, but you're also getting these darling little guys. These are amber little sharer roller bottles. They're super cute, right? They're little. Let's open it up so you can see. Little 1 mLs, perfect for sharing. And how cute are those? Your own tiny little roller bottle. I don't know. I get excited about little tiny treasures, and this is one of them for me for sure. So you're going to be getting 12 of those in that builder box so that you can share with your friends, and you can go ahead and make some of these colognes, recipes, and share them. Get them out there. get those men in your life using these, natural colognes are so great because you're not getting all the preservatives, all the chemicals. It works with your body chemistry really nicely, and you just get to personalize it, and that's pretty cool. As always, in both the Oiler box and the Builder box, you're going to get a surprise gift, so that will be included. Yeah, super excited to share this with you guys today. I hope you enjoy these as much as we do. They were fun to make and fun when we got them. We were just super excited. Can't wait to get them all incorporated into my life. So I hope you guys are have just the best start of your June month. Nice sun and fun, and happy Father's Day to all you men coming out here in just a little bit. And until next time, bye.